Good afternoon. We all are students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Railway Colony, Bharatpur. Today we are going to represent our idea under Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. We are going to represent our idea which is under the Atmanirbhar Bharat theme. The name of our idea is Integrated Soil Health and Irrigation System. Problem statement: Indian farmer suffers significant crop and financial losses due to the inefficient management of soil, health and water resources. They often lack real-time data on two critical factors: soil nutrient level, fertility and soil moisture. This leads to guesswork, resulting in the underuse or overuse of water and fertilizers. This precision gap wastes critical resources, reduces crop yields, increases farmer debt and damages the long-term health of the soil. Causes of problem: lack of real-time data. Farmers traditionally rely on fixed schedules or visible plant stress to decide when to irrigate and fertilize, not on the soil's actual immediate needs. Physical distance: farmers' homes are often located far from the fields, making it impossible to monitor conditions 24/7 or respond quickly to sudden changes. Unpredictable weather, climate volatility, including intense heat waves. Effects of the problems are economic loss, farmer distress, environmental damage, national food security. Who all are facing this problem? Let's discover this. This problem is primarily faced by the small and medium scale farmers of India. This group forms the backbone of agriculture sector but often lacks the capital to invest in expensive industrial grade smart farming technology. They are most vulnerable and climate shocks and rising resource costs. By extension, the entire nation is affected by the challenges they face, as it impacts our collective food security and environmental health.
Our proposed solution. Our solution is an affordable, modular, integrated soil health and irrigation system designed to empower farmers with real-time data and remote control capabilities. Our system consists of two main units of field sensor unit and home alert unit. Sensing in the field. The field sensor unit is placed in the farmer's field. It is equipped with the three key sensors: soil moisture sensor, NPK sensor, rain detector. Decision making, the smart logic, a microcontroller. The main in the field unit analyzes the data from all three sensors to make smart decisions. Smart irrigation logic and fertility alert logic. Alerting at home. When an action is needed, the field unit wirelessly sends a signal to the home alert to take a process. Action remote control. From the comfort of their home, the farmers can press a button to remotely switch the water pump via a relay to process the system. Who it helps and how it solves the problem. It helps the farmers by solving the distance problem. They are alerted instantly and can get apps without traveling to the field. It solves the guesswork problems by providing precise data, and the farmers know exactly when to water and exactly when the nutrients are missing. It solves the resource waste problem in two ways: the rain detector waste and the automatic shut-off waste. The system directly supports the Atmanirbhar Bharat theme by making farmers more self-reliant, efficient and portable, all while conserving our nation's precious nature resources. Component function description. Unit A, field sensor and control unit. Microcontroller, NPK sensor, soil moisture sensor, rain detector, relay module, water pump, RF transmitter. Unit B, home alert and control unit. Microcontroller, RF receiver, buzzer, speaker, manual on or off button.